Alright, I'm going to do a review on the Savage all-wheel drive off-road racer. It's a 1/10 scale, and I get the controller. Alright, and you got a controller here. I don't think these buttons do anything. It's made out of plastic. I'm not sure. I don't think they really do anything. I mean, they just pin. But this is got a little bit of some foam on it, so it's real nice to touch. Never had one with foam on it. This button here turns it on, and this button here is a high-speed and low-speed button, I guess. And then it's supposed to be proportional controlled. It's 2.4 gigahertz, high speed, digital DPC, digital proportional control, and performance shocks, all-wheel drive, and it's got lights and sounds, and that's what the box looks like. I mean, it's kind of like, it takes 4 AA batteries in here, which, let's see if I can get them out. I gotta push it this way. 4 AA's. I have rechargeables in there right now. So having 4 AA's is pretty good signal. And this here is the car. These tires are kind of hard. They're rubber, and you got a good spring action, good flexibility in there. All right, you're talking pretty good flexibility. You know, kind of noisy. I mean, it could be. So you don't have any little men sitting in there, but you do have these lights come on. I'll turn it on. See the lights come on. Now it's waiting for the thing and you got a couple headlights. And then when I turn it on, when I turn this on, it'll beep. And then it goes. But it does make noise when you take off, like a car noise. Then when you press the reverse button, and it beeps as you're going backwards. Now if you press this button here, it tells you it's on a high, I think it's a higher speed, or low speed. Press the button again. That puts it in a higher speed. When you let go of the throttle, it makes a squealing noise like you're stopping. So I'll take it out here and see how it runs in the grass. Take it out in my backyard. This is my new pickup truck. Alright. I'm not. Alright. Now the slow mode is see if I can go up this. Now this is like the climbing mode. That's slow-mo. This is supposed to be the faster mode. Oh, I think I got it stuck. Oh, caught it under the ramp here. Oops, oh, I was really stuck in. Damn, I just keep getting this thing stuck. Let's put it on slow. No, that's stopping it. I believe that you could. I believe you can run a 3S battery in this thing, and it would probably go a lot faster. Ooh, this. That's the doggy's tent. Let's do it again. I'm making that car sound. Now it says you can do 30-40 minutes on this thing. Alright, got it going on slow. Oh, it's inside this thing. Let's see if I can get it out of there. The dog's got holes dug in this thing. Now this is kind of rough back in here. This is like all roots. We're kind of slow. See. Now I could be getting low on juice. Getting ate up by mosquitoes out here. I just got bit. Getting beat by mosquitoes. Alright, I'm gonna go bop this one more time. See. Oh my. Well, that's the Savage off-road buggy. Put on my truck, my dirty truck. Yeah, this thing needs a bath. My new to me pickup truck. Well, that's all. Just let me know what you think.